Namaste, let me ask you something simple. What comes to your mind when you hear parent-teacher meeting? Is it a day of nervous report cards, a 5-minute rushed talk, or is it a golden opportunity to truly understand your child's world? In this episode of Parent Connect, we will show you how to turn every PTM into a powerful tool for collaboration, confidence, and clarity. Welcome to Parent Connect, the voice of partnership between MNR Scottsdale and our wonderful parent community. Today's focus is simple but impactful. How to make the most of parent-teacher meetings. Whether you are a new parent or a seasoned one, this short video will help you walk in with clarity and walk out with confidence. Because when parents and teachers share insights openly, children grow stronger in every way. What is a PTM really about? It's not just about marks, it's about mindset, habits, strengths, and needs. A PTM is a three-way partnership, you, the teacher, and your child. It's a time to align on goals, strategies, and support systems for your child's success. What should parents do before a PTM? Be prepared. Review your child's notebooks, diaries, and past reports. Make a note of doubts, questions, or observations. Talk to your child before the meeting. Ask how they feel about school, friends, teachers, or any concerns. Bring a positive mindset. Approach the meeting as a conversation, not a complaint forum. Be open to feedback and solutions, not just scores. What should parents do during a PTM? Ask the right questions. How is my child participating in class? What are their strengths and where do they need support? How is their behavior with peers and teachers? Is there anything I should reinforce at home? Listen actively. Don't interrupt. Take notes. Acknowledge both praise and constructive feedback. Maintain a respectful tone even when there is a concern. Collaborate. Don't criticize. Instead of asking, why didn't my child get full marks? Ask, what can we do together to improve? What should parents do after a PTM? Reflect and act. Discuss the meeting with your child gently. Celebrate their strengths. Work together on action points suggested by the teacher. Communicate regularly with the teacher moving forward. A PTM is not the end of a conversation, it is the beginning. Let's quickly recap. Before the PTM, prepare and talk to your child. During the PTM, listen, ask, collaborate. After the PTM, reflect, appreciate, act. And most importantly, approach it with empathy, curiosity, and partnership. Remember, teachers see your child in a different light. You bring home knowledge. They bring classroom insights. Together, you see the whole picture. Let's not waste these meetings. Let's use them to unlock your child's potential. Here is what you can do right now. Make a checklist of questions for your next PTM. Talk to your child about their classroom experiences, even if no meeting is near. Begin seeing PTM as growth opportunities, not performance reviews. And don't forget to like this video. Share it with other parents. In our next episode, what role should parents play in school projects and exams? A must watch for today's busy, emotional parenting journey. Together, let's make education a partnership, not a transaction. See you at the next PTM with purpose. Thank you so much.